when we turn on OSPF, we start with the router OSPF command, get into the process, get into router configuration mode, and from there, we issue the network command. We need to be very clear about what the network command does. It enables the routing protocol for interfaces and assigns those interfaces to an area. So, this command done on router 1 enables all interfaces in the 10 network to be part of area 0. And the way that we read any wildcard mask is we look at the IP address that it's attached to. So in this case, we have a network statement that is 10, and then we add the value of the mask to that value. Add 10 to 0, 0 to 255, 0 to 255, and 0 to 255. And you think, where am I getting those values? Well, all you do is you add the first octet together. That's the ending of the range. Second octet together, 0 plus 255. That's how I got that 255 right here. Do that again and again. And that represents the range of IP addresses that OSPF, the process, is looking for to assign area 0 to the interface and then run the protocol on the interface. We will then advertise whatever mask happens to be on that interface. Okay? So we see the network command for OSPF on router 1. This is an internal router in OSPF. Router 2, well, router 2 has a collection of two different paradigms of configuration. Let's firstly look at OSPF process 15, okay, or 50, not 15, but 50. They don't have to match, that's no problem. Then the network command. Now, here what we're doing is we're telling OSPF, I want you to run on the range of IP addresses for 10.64.02 plus the value of the wildcard mask, which is 10.64.02, because we add the two values together, and if we add 0 to anything, well, it's the same thing. So that technique of adding the wildcard mask works like a charm here. And so that says I'm only going to be running via this network command OSPF on that one IP address, which enables it for Fast Ethernet 0/2, or Fast Ethernet 0/0. Fast Ethernet, again, 0/0. So how are we running OSPF on serial 001? We did that with the IP OSPF command, which is followed up with the process number, and then we say what area that interface is in. This is a little bit more explicit in exactly how the protocol is enabled. So we're doing this in interface configuration mode. You can choose to do it either way. A lot of people still use the network command. A lot of people have jumped on the bandwagon for the interface level syntax. The effect is the same. The effect is the same. We're enabling the routing protocol for an interface, and in this case, serial 001 is plugged into area 1.